Oh yeah, here's the deal, right? I use my pole whilst carrying it on my rack on one of these. So the idea is do that, pull it out, there's a carbon pole, got quite a few sections on it. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sections. So it's quite long. I'll just extend it. Right, so that's 9 foot. 9 12 is 180 inches. So that's 9 foot. 9 foot. 9 foot. That's 18 foot there. That's 27 foot. That's 36 foot. That's 45 foot. That's 54 foot. So it's 55 and a half foot. Basically 55 and a half foot. So it's not 60 foot, it's 55 and a half. Very nearly, probably 60 foot if I've missed a bit, but I was being a bit generous with me while the other way around. So that's pretty much 55 foot, shall we say. 55 foot carbon pole. So this is what it goes in, and that fits in there, it goes on your